everyone, welcome back to the Techlog YouTube channel. Today, for this video of Techlog, I will be showing you how to add Outlook in Gmail. So first thing is you need to do this process in a Google browser as you cannot add other email from the mobile app of Gmail. So open a browser on your PC and then click open new tab, and there you need to type open Gmail. Type in gmail.com and press enter. Then open your Gmail account by logging in. Now once you open the Gmail, what you need to do over here is you need to click on setting over here on the top right. Click that. In the setting, click on see all setting. This will open all the setting of your Gmail. And in the Gmail, you're currently at the general section. You need to click on accounts and import. Click that. So once you're at accounts and import, you scroll down to the check mail from other accounts, and there's the option add a mail account. You click that. This option allows you to add other emails in your Gmail. So here you need to type in the other email address that you want to add. Type in the Techlog Outlook account and then click on next. You can either import mails from Techlog Outlook to your Gmail inbox or link the accounts using Gmailify. With Gmailify, you can keep both email address but can manage emails from both using your Gmail inbox. So you can either link your Gmail with the Gmailify or you can import mail from the other account to your Gmail. You choose the option that is suitable for you and then click on next. So you need to log in into the Outlook account. So type in the password on the text box. Then click on sign in. This will get you signed in into the account. Now here, Gmail needs your permission to access your email address, your about info, and to send and sync emails. So click on yes over here. This will link your Gmail and Outlook with each other. You can now manage your Techlog Outlook account email from Gmail. Click on close, and there you can see your Techlog account being added to your Gmail. Now you can check your Techlog mails from Gmail as well. So this is a way how you can add Outlook in Gmail. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Techlog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.